Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the phone and Samsung TV share the same Wi-Fi network because mirroring uses local network discovery. Once done, enable the TV's screen mirroring or Smart View entry so it will accept connections. On your phone, turn on Wi-Fi and location services. This helps the phone find the TV quickly. Now open the phone's quick settings or display settings to begin the connection process. Don't delay. Start casting right away. You now initiate the actual connection. Open your phone's cast, Smart View, or screen mirroring control. These controls actively scan for receivers. When the Samsung TV appears in the list, tap its name to start pairing. This step creates the secure link. If a PIN appears on the TV, enter it on your phone or accept the incoming request directly on the TV. This prevents accidental connections. Once paired, your phone begins streaming its display in real time. You finish by optimizing and fixing issues. Make sure the TV input shows the mirroring app and rotate your phone for desired orientation. Also confirm audio is routed to the TV if sound is missing. If you see lag, stutter, or a black screen, stop mirroring and start again. This often clears the issue. If problems persist, reboot the router, TV, and phone in that order, and check for firmware or OS updates. Doing so resolves most compatibility glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.